Continental Refrigerator makes the most versatile sandwich units on the market today. No matter what challenges you face in your kitchen, Continental Refrigerator has a sandwich unit that provides the solution. These sandwich units have 6 different widths, ranging from 27 inches up to 72 inches wide. There are also 3 different pan top configurations to optimize your workspace: a standard top, a cutting top, and a mighty top. The standard top is equipped with 2 rows of 1/6 size recessed pans and a 12-inch full-length nylon cutting board. The cutting top also holds 2 rows of 1/6 size recessed pans, however, it has a larger cutting board at 19 inches deep. The mighty top is equipped with 3 rows of 1/6 size recessed pans and a full-length nylon cutting board. The customization doesn't end there. We offer many flexible options that will give you the perfect sandwich prep for your kitchen. Here is a stainless steel 60-inch mighty top sandwich unit that can hold 24 1/6 size recessed pans. Sandwich units can be front breathing. Front breathing units have a bottom-mounted ventilation system that has the air intake and exhaust from the front. Having the ventilation system on the front instead of the back allows the unit to be flush against a wall or built into a counter to conserve precious kitchen space. Our sandwich units can have drawers in place of doors or a door and drawer combination. If you order your unit with doors but then decide you want drawers, no problem. Our sandwich units can be easily converted from doors to drawers in the field or vice versa. Sandwich units come standard with insulated lids, however, we offer additional lid options. First, a flat insulated night cover lid. Our next 2 options are meant to increase product visibility without having to lift the lid. We have a hinged glass lid which comes with a stainless steel gas spring lid support that will hold the lid open and then allow you to gently close the lid. The other option is our vision panel lid. If you are looking for a more durable cutting board, we offer a composite cutting board that can more effectively stand up to heat, cold, stains, and scratches. Our sandwich units have the ability to provide vertical storage with the addition of a single or double 16-gauge overshelf. These overshelves provide easier item storage while keeping those items close by and easily accessible. Another option Continental offers is a dry storage rail available on any of our overshelves. As you can see, thanks to our flexibility, the possibilities are endless when it comes to finding the right sandwich unit for your kitchen. For more information about our sandwich units, please visit our website at continentalrefrigerator.com.